Using input function. Using input function. Input function can be used to prompt the user to insert a number or a string. Let's see how. So now go to brackets and we will try to do it. Okay, so to prompt the user to insert something, you need to save whatever the user has been inserted in a variable. Okay, watch how I'm gonna do it right now. Create a variable called name equal input parentheses. I will print a message such as what's your name? \n means new line in terminal. Then print a string of hi space plus name plus space how are you as an example. Then I will create another variable called user equal input parentheses. In this line, whatever things the user inserted will be stored in user variable. Finally, type print a string of thank you plus variable name plus goodbye string as an example, and you can do whatever you like. After that, try that on terminal. Alright, what's your name? John Doe. Cool, printed hi John Doe, how are you? So I'm good. Then printed thanks John Doe, goodbye. Really nice. You should try that by your code and your computer. Thank you for watching.